So we acquired this work by Rosalind Lawless a few years ago. It's called Splash Over. Rosalind was born in Glasgow and she studied at Gray's School of Art and then went to the Royal College of Art. She currently lives and works in Glasgow. She teaches at the Glasgow Printmakers. And this is a print, although it looks like a bit of a painting. It's actually printed using true grain, which is a kind of polyester film. So it's really interesting. Although it's a print, it's actually got some texture and some layers. So Rosalind loves to use her environment to inspire her work, and she's particularly inspired by colour. And this blue is just so vibrant, and it's particularly strong in the context of our blue exhibition. It really stands out.